Hey y'all, it's Monday morning, November 11th, and we welcome you to another edition of This Week at AMG. This week we have a very special guest joining us from an undisclosed location. Carey Bryant is our newest staff member, and he's serving in the child sponsorship area, and he's also helping with our short-term missions teams, and he's playing a big and key role in our social media outreach to let people know through social media what's going on around the world through AMG. Well, Carey is on a special assignment right now. We are going to join Carey in the location, which we don't know where it is. Well, I know, but you don't know. But you are going to find out why he's in that location, and you are going to find out about our Facebook contest and also how he came to join AMG. So, let's go to Carey.
Thank you, Tassos. Well, as you can see, I'm not at the home office right now, but I can't tell you where we are at just yet because you're actually going to figure that out, hopefully. But more on that in a moment. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've served with AMG now for 3.5 months, and it's been such a great opportunity to serve here. It started when I was looking for a ministry job, and I actually came across an ad in the newspaper, and it was for this position at AMG. And so I immediately sent in my resume, looked at their website, and I was very impressed because the organization kept the gospel first. That was a ministry that I wanted to be a part of. And so I went through the interview process, thought I did fairly well, and evidently they did too because they hired me. And so I was very excited when I was offered the job. I currently work in 3 different areas. The first area is children and national worker sponsorships. The second area is our mission adventures, which is short-term teen mission trips. And then our third area is the social media area. And so over the past several weeks, I've been part of an initiative. Recently, we have started a new initiative, which is our Where in the World is My Bundles Bank Facebook contest. And what we do is we take a picture of a Bundles Bank anywhere in the world, and then we post it on our Facebook page, and then we get other people to guess where it was taken. And if you guess, you actually get a free special edition Bundles of Love coffee mug. I actually got one of these for my birthday, and I use it every day, so I know you'll really love it and enjoy it. Our Bundles of Love ministry focuses on giving a Christmas gift to all of AMG's sponsored children, our national workers, and leprosy victims. And not only do they get a Christmas gift, but they also get the greatest gift of all, which is to hear the gospel of Jesus Christ. This week, our Facebook contest and our video blog are coming together because the contest picture is actually here. You're going to try to guess where this picture was taken and where we're at right now. Go to the Where in the World is My Bundles Bank contest tab and guess where these Bundles Banks are located. And if you do, we'll send you one of those free mugs, and it'll be awesome. As you can see, my friends here are also very excited about this contest. And if you want a Bundles Bank, we can send it to your address for free. All you have to do is message me on Facebook, and we'll make that happen for you. And so I'm very excited about this contest, and I hope you go on our Facebook page and guess and have fun with it. And so back to you, Tassos.
Thank you, Carey. Well, that's it for this week at AMG, and we hope you join us again next week to find out more about what is happening around the world, what the Lord is doing. Please be praying for us, and have a blessed week.